Ever pondered the secret behind businesses that constantly evolve, adapt, and yet manage to keep their operational costs under control? The answer could lie in an innovative approach to acquiring resources, such as Conker's leasing model for rugged devices. Imagine a world where your business thrives with the latest technology, without the burden of hefty upfront costs. A world where your operational demands are met with precision and efficiency. This is the reality Conker's leasing model brings to life. But wait, it's not just about having a rugged device in your hands. It's about making smart financial choices that position your business for long-term success. With Conker's leasing model, the benefits extend beyond the device itself. One of the key advantages lies in the significant reduction in maintenance costs. No more worrying about wear and tear, no more budgeting for unexpected repairs. Conker's leasing model includes comprehensive maintenance, ensuring your devices are always in peak condition, ready to drive your business forward. Timely upgrades are another perk that keeps your business at the cutting edge of technology. With Conker, you don't have to wait for your devices to become obsolete before you can afford to replace them. Our leasing model allows you to upgrade as soon as a better device hits the market, keeping you one step ahead of the competition. And what about scalability? As your business grows, your needs change. Conker's leasing model offers seamless scalability, allowing you to adjust your fleet of devices in line with your growth trajectory. This flexibility means you'll never be left with surplus devices, or worse, a shortage when you need them the most. In essence, Conker's leasing model is your pathway to operational efficiency and cost-effectiveness. It's about embracing the future without breaking the bank. It's about leasing excellence and, in turn, owning success. So why wait? Explore Conker's leasing model today and unlock a world of operational excellence at your fingertips. This is your opportunity to boost efficiency, slash costs, and propel your business into a future of sustained success. Don't let it pass you by. Choose Conker, choose success.